everybody, my name's Alex. Today we're gonna play Stuck With You by Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande. Show you two ways how to play this song. An easiest one with an open chord progression, and another one that's how I play the song. First of all, we should put capo on a 5th fret to stay in original tonality. First chord is C major. The second one, E minor. Third one is F maj 9. Next one is E minor 7. And the last one is G major. Together it sounds like this. But I can play like this. I play this song in a little bit different position. I play progression based on these chords. E major add 9, then G sharp minor 7, then E major. Next one is C sharp minor 7 and B major. Okay, together it sounds like this. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe and watch my another videos. See you soon in my next video.